In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the billing owner in Expensify. Whether you're transferring responsibility due to role changes, organizational restructuring, or simply updating to fit new business needs, understanding the process is crucial. Let's walk through this step by step so you can complete the transition smoothly. First things first, ensure that the person you wish to designate as the new billing owner is already set up as a workspace admin. This is an important prerequisite, as only current billing owners or workspace admins have the capability to assign another person as the billing owner. Ensuring this step is complete beforehand can save you time and avoid unnecessary confusion later in the process. Once the new owner has workspace admin privileges, the next step involves them logging into Expensify. Once logged in, navigate to the Workspaces section. You'll want to select the specific workspace name where the change needs to be made. Once you've done that, proceed to the Members tab. This area of the platform allows you to manage roles and responsibilities within the workspace. Now, with the Members section open, locate the current billing owner's name on the list. Finding this name is crucial because, in the next step, we will be initiating the transfer of ownership. Once you've found the current billing owner's name, click on it. You should see an option labeled Transfer Ownership. Go ahead and select this option. This action is critical, as it officially starts the process of making the new admin the billing owner. After hitting that transfer option, there's one last key detail to attend to. The individual taking over as the billing owner must add a payment card to their account. This step is not only about completing the ownership transfer, but it also guarantees that billing processes move forward without any hiccups. Adding a payment card is crucial for maintaining continuity in billing operations and avoiding any disruptions in service. Remember, transitions such as these are often about foreseeing and preventing potential pitfalls. Therefore, ensuring that the new owner is fully prepared and aware of their new responsibilities is wise. Ask yourself if they understand the account's billing cycle and are ready to manage any financial tasks associated with this role. By carefully following these instructions, you can smoothly change the billing owner in Expensify without worry or complication. Always remember, if you're ever in doubt, consult Expensify's support resources or your organization's internal guidance for help. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope this walkthrough simplifies your administrative tasks in Expensify.